Welcome to my channel. My name is Yusuf and thank you for smashing the like button for absolutely no reason. Stay tuned. So, best stocks to buy today. Should you actually be buying anything today? Seriously, like, don't buy. The only reason that you're here because you're not buying any stocks today. You get it? Seriously, don't buy any stocks today. Today might be the day that everything goes up, and tomorrow is gonna be the day that everything's gonna come back down and you're gonna be miserable. Just because of that, don't buy anything today. Today is gonna be the day of the traps. So literally, today is a trap. Do not buy any stocks. Leave your money on the side. Don't buy anything because it's gonna go back down again. And what a lot of people don't know is this is the last toe of the stock market. So what are we gonna do? I think it's a great time to take your family outside, do nothing, and absolutely save your money. And don't put it in the trash because of the stock market. So what I recommend for you guys today is don't buy anything today. That's the best thing you can do in this market because it's going up, it's coming back down, it's going up, it's going back down. And now this is the last time it's gonna go up to trap all you beginners and then go back down again. So the best thing for you to do is not to shake the camera, right? Not to shake the camera. But anyway, the best thing for you to do is don't buy anything right now in terms of stocks. Leave your money on the side and wait for it to have a confirmation. And that's when Harry Potter is gonna come out of the nowhere and tell you to buy the stocks today. Right? No? Maybe? Okay, maybe not. But seriously now, the confirmation is when gonna be that we have actual vaccine for the coronavirus. The number of people who already got it and getting it, it's going down, and that's when you're gonna see the confirmation that stock's gonna be going back up again. So hold your money, stay tight, and just look at the market. It's the best time for you to learn from the market. And I think, you know, a lot of you are learning through what's happening right now, kind of the similar idea of what happened in 2018. Everything went down, again, it's going back up again. So you gotta be on top of your stocks, on top of your portfolio, when to buy, because usually it takes only 10 to 20 days right after a dip to go back up again. But that's not this time. This time we have to wait for the confirmation of actually being a vaccine for coronavirus in order for the stock to go back up. So stay tuned for the next video. Ciao.